Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting daily weather briefing. First, let's look into the past 24-hour weather observed. As we know, southwest monsoon has already advanced into some parts of the southern peninsular India and over the northeast part of the country. Under its influence, rainfall activity was reported from the Bilasipara, Karimganj, Dubri, Hatsingmari, Hailakandi, Matunga, Majuri, Garmura, and Bahalpur of Assam, and Tikrikilla, Sohra and Minag of Meghalaya, Niogra of Jalpaiguri, and Seveke of Darjeeling, and Udaipur of Tripura, and Aluva of Ernakulam district of Kerala, and Devangali of South Interior Karnataka has reported rainfall activity. Coming to the highlight of the presentation, so we are expecting an increase in the rainfall activity likely over South Peninsular India from 7th June. So under the influence of the southwest monsoon, intense spell of rainfall activity is expecting over northeast India and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 5 days. Heatwave conditions in isolated pockets over northwest and central India is expecting during next 2 to 3 days. Coming to the advance of the southwest monsoon, so you can see here the blue lines. So southwest monsoon has already advanced over the region beneath of this blue line. So that is over the Lakshadweep region, entire region of the Kerala, some parts of the Karnataka, parts of the Tamil Nadu, entire part of the Sri Lanka, Andaman Nicobar Island, and over the northeast part of the country, southwest monsoon has already advanced. Coming to the synoptic system that observed today morning, a western disturbance as a trough in the mid and upper tropospheric levels at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level is observed at 67 degree east and 29 degree north. A cyclonic circulation is also observed over the West Rajasthan and neighborhood Pakistan region at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level. Another cyclonic circulation is observed at the East Uttar Pradesh region at 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level. A trough runs from this cyclonic circulation to the South Chhattisgarh region at 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level. Another cyclonic circulation is also observed over the East Central Bay of Bengal at 0.9, between 3.1 and 7.6 kilometer, between 3.1 and 7.6 kilometer, and a trough runs from this cyclonic circulation to the Comorin area across Sri Lanka at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level. Coming to the forecast and warnings, a trough runs from the East Uttar Pradesh to South Chhattisgarh and strong southwesterly winds from Bay of Bengal to northeast India prevail in the lower tropospheric levels. Under their influence, fairly widespread or widespread light to moderate rainfall with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely over Assam and Meghalaya and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 5 days and over Arunachal Pradesh during 7th to 9th June 2022. Isolated or scattered rainfall with a thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal during next 5 days. We are expecting an increase in rainfall activity over South Peninsular India from 7th June. So fairly widespread or widespread light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm or lightning very likely to occur over Karnataka, Kerala and Mahi and Lakshadweep, and isolated to scattered over Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during next 5 days. Isolated heavy rainfall likely to occur over South Interior Karnataka during next 5 days and over Tamil Nadu on 6th and 7th June and over Kerala and Mahi on 5th, 7th, 8th and 9th and over North Interior Karnataka on 8th June 2022. Coming to the heat wave warnings. Heat waves are likely to occur isolated places of Jammu division on 5th June, that is on today, and over Rajasthan, South Punjab, South Haryana, Delhi, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and Telangana on 5th and 6th, that is on today and tomorrow. South Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and interior Odisha during 5th to 7th June 2022. Coming to the weather warning for next 5 days. So as I mentioned, heat wave warnings are issued over this west and central part of the India and over the Jammu region on today. And rainfall warning was issued over the most part of the south peninsular India, including Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and over some parts of the Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, and the entire region of the northeast part of the India. And over Assam and Meghalaya, orange warning is issued for next 5 days. And over the Arunachal Pradesh, orange warning is issued from 7th to 9th June. For tomorrow, also heatwave warnings is issued over the most part of the central and west part of the country. And over the southern peninsular India, rainfall warning is issued, and also over the eastern part, some part of the East India. Similarly, day 3, day 4 and day 5, heavy rainfall warning is issued over Kerala, Konkan Goa on 9th, and there is no major warning on 8th and 9th over the central part of the country. IMD's forecast and warnings are also available on the Mausam, Dhamini and Meghdoot app. Users are requested to download this app to get updates of weather and warnings. Thank you.